In this session, we will discuss system of solving system of linear equation. So consider the following system of m linear equations in n unknowns x1, x2, etc. xn. So the linear system of linear equation is of the form a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus etc. a1n xn equal to b1 a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus etc. a2n xn equal to b2 etc. am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus etc. amn xn is equal to bm. So this system is called system of linear equation. Why it is called a system of linear equation? Because our unknown variables x1, x2, x3 or unknown terms are always in linear. That means degree of each xi is equal to 1. Okay, there may not so that's why it is called a linear equation. Okay, so there is no terms like x1 into x2, x1 square, like xn square. So there may not have such terms. So only possibility is x1, x2, x3, etc. xn are the degree of such variables are 1. Okay, so that's why it is called a linear equation. Now here a11, a12, etc. amn are constants, that are non-constants, and b1, b2, etc. bm are also constants. Okay. So our aim is to find a solution, find the unknown x1, x2, etc. xn, or the values of x1, x2, etc. xn, which satisfies this linear system of equation. So that is our aim. So it's not simple. Okay, so what we will do is we will convert this linear system into a matrix form. So we will change matrix into matrix notation. So the system can be written as ax equal to b, where the coefficient matrix A is equal to ijk is an m by n matrix. So what is A? A is the coefficient matrix. What is coefficient? This a11, a12. First row will be this. First row is a11, a12, etc. a1n. Second row is a21, a22, etc. a2n. And mth row is a1m, am1, am2, etc. amn. And x, we denote x as the unknowns x1, x2, etc. xn. These are column vectors, and b is b1, b2, etc. bm. So now we can write like this system as ax equal to b form. So a into x, you will get this, and is equal to b. So now an important matrix is augmented matrix. So we can write augmented matrix ab is like this: a1, a12, etc. amn. This is a matrix, right? A matrix. Up to this we have a matrix, and then we will write column b, column vector b here, and this matrix is called augmented matrix. Okay, so this matrix is called augmented matrix. So such a matrix is called augmented matrix. Okay, this augmented matrix involves all constants. Okay, so and if b equal to 0, that means ax equal to 0 is called a homogeneous system. If our this b is 0, then we call this system of linear equation as homogeneous system. Okay, so before that I will give you an example. So this, I will take an example. If you have a system like x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 3, x2, sorry, 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. So this is a system of equation, right? So how many unknowns are there? What are the unknowns?
2x1 and x.
X1 and x2. Okay. So now we will write this in ax equal to b form. So what is A? A matrix, coefficient matrix.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 1.
3, 1.
3,
Okay.
1.
Okay. So X is, what are the unknowns? X1,
And
X2.
x2.
Now B is 3,
3, 4.
4. Now we will write
4.
augmented matrix. AB is equal to, how can we write augmented matrix? 1,
2, 3.
3, right? 3,
Sir,
1.
screen കാണുന്നില്ല.
Screen is not visible.
എനിക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല. കാണാം.
Okay, is it visible, right?
Sir, എനിക്ക് പറ്റണില്ല. എനിക്ക് സാറേ കാണുന്നു.
നീ ലീവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒന്നുകൂടി വന്നു.
Okay.
Others have any problem?
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
So this is 4, right? So this matrix is called the augmented matrix. So from this linear system we convert this into matrix form, right? X equal to b, and this is augmented matrix. Now we will do now we want to solve system of linear equation. So that method is called the Gauss elimination method. Okay. So consider the system of equations Ax equal to b. The method is first reduce augmented matrix. We are only dealing with augmented matrix. Reduce augmented matrix to echelon form, that is raw echelon form. So our first step is reduce augmented matrix into raw echelon form. Okay. So then we will solve the system of linear equation. Before going to that, okay, for a linear system, there are three possibilities for solution. Three possibilities. First one, the system may have no solution. No solution. Second one, system may have unique solution. Only one solution. And third one, the system may have infinitely many solution. Okay. So for a linear system of equation, there are only three possibilities. One is the system may have no solution. Second one is may have unique solution or infinitely many solution. Now we will characterize this by using rank of the augmented matrix. So these are the following case. So when the question is, our question is we have when we have no solution, unique solution, and infinitely many solution for a system of linear equation. So the answer is we will characterize that by using rank of a augmented matrix. So the first condition is if rank of AB not equal to rank of A, then the system is inconsistent. What do you mean by inconsistent? Inconsistent. Anybody?
Infinite solution.
Have no solution. No solution.
No solution, right? If system has no solution, then we say that system is inconsistent. Okay, tell me.
Inconsistent no solution infinitely many solution ആയിക്കോട്ടെ
No.
കുറെ കേസ് തന്നെ
Inconsistent means there may not have any solution. Okay, that means if
Okay.
rank of A be not equal to rank of A, then the system has no solution. That means system is inconsistent. Now, second condition is if rank of AB is equal to rank of A, and third also rank of AB is equal to rank of A. That means if rank of AB is equal to rank of A, then the system is consistent. Okay, then the system is consistent. And second, for second, if rank of AB is equal to rank of A and is equal to number of unknowns, then the system is consistent with a unique solution. And if rank of AB is equal to rank of A less than number of unknowns, then the system is consistent with the infinitely many solution. So the conditions are is one is rank of AB not equal to rank of A, the system is inconsistent. Rank of AB is equal to A, the system is always consistent. And if rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to number of unknowns, then we have unique solution. And if it is less than number of unknowns, then we have infinitely many solutions. So these are the conditions. Now we will do problems. Okay, have you got an idea how to solve a system of linear equation? Now we will move to solving problems. Okay, so this is the problem, and this problem is university question 2016 2018. Okay, so the question is x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. That is first equation. Minus x1 plus x2 minus x3 is equal to 0. And fourth one, 10 x2, that is 10 x2 plus 25 x3 is equal to 90. 20 x1 plus 10 x2 is equal to 80. Is equal to 80. Okay, so we will solve this. So what is the first step? First step, we will write Ax equal to B. 4. So what is A here? So tell me what is A? A matrix.
1 1
1
minus 1 1
1 minus 1 1, right? Next,
yes
minus 1
Minus
minus
1.
1 1 minus
1
1 minus 1.
10 25.
0
Sorry,
0 0
0.
0
0
അല്ലേ sir?
Okay,
0
0 10 25 and
10, 25.
20
20 10 0
0.
10, 0.
Okay, so this is A. Now we will write what is x unknowns. x1, x2, x3, and B is 0 0 90 80. Okay, so now we will write augmented matrix. So tell me what is augmented matrix AB. AB is equal to, tell me, 1
1
minus
minus 1.
1 1
1, 0.
0 minus 1 1
1
minus
minus
1
1.
0
0.
0
10,
0 10 25
25.
90.
90.
And the last row 20
20.
10
10.
0,
80.
80. Okay. Now what is next step? We have to convert this into raw echelon form, and you know how to convert this, so we can do this, right? So first we have to check what is the pivot, but this is 1, right? So this is a non-zero element, so this is the first pivot, right? So 1, we can write 1 minus 1 1 0. Now what is the second step? We have to convert
R
this into 0, right? So what is the raw operation?
R2 plus
R2
R1.
plus R1.
2 plus r1. So what will happen here? 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1 0 0 plus 0 0. So we got a completely. Now what is this? This is already 0, right? So we can directly write 0 10 25 90. Okay, now here it is 20. So what is the raw operation? R4 implies
R4 minus 20 R1.
minus 20 R1, right? So what we will get? 0 10 minus 20 into minus 1. So what you will get? 30, right? 30. Now what is here? 0 minus 20. What is here? What is here? Here
Minus 20.
Minus
minus,
20.
and here
80.
80. So from here we got first step. And what is this? We got a row with a complete 0. Now what we have to do? What is the definition of row echelon form? If you got a row completely 0, that row must comes
Last.
last. So what will be the step? How to
Interchange.
change R2 to R4, right?
R4.
So first we will write 1 minus 1 1 0 R4 0 30 minus 20 80 0 10 25 90 and 0 0 0 0. Okay, so what is next pivot? What is the leading entry in second?
30.
Okay,
30.
30 30, right? 30 30. So now we have to convert this into 0. This. So what we will do is we can write first row as itself, like same as that 0 0 30 minus 20 80. Now what is the row operation? R3 changes into, tell me what is the row operation?
3R3 minus
3
R2.
3R3 minus R2.
Minus R2.
minus R2. So 0 0. What is here?
95.
95. Here
190.
190. 0 0 0. So now this is in raw echelon form. Why? This is our first pivot. All elements in that column below the pivot is 0. This is second pivot. All elements below the pivot is 0. And this is third pivot. All elements below the pivot is 0. Right? So there is no pivot in the last one. So what is rank of A?
3.
Because rank of A means this matrix, right? Uh, uh, this matrix to this. So rank of A is 3. What is rank of AB?
3.
3.
3.
So rank of A is equal to rank of AB, right? So the system is consistent. Now what about number of unknowns? How many unknowns are there?
3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
So rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to number of unknown. Then what is the condition? The system has unique
Unique
solution.
solution.
One and only one solution. Okay. So now by back substitution we will find the solution. So what is the meaning of this? This is 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 95x3 is equal to 190, right? That means you can write it as 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 95x3 is equal to 190. So which implies what is 95x3? 190. What is x3?
190. 190 by 95.
2.
x3 equal to 2. Now what about second row? Second row. So from here we will get 0 x1 plus 30 x2 minus 20 x3 is equal to 80, right? So from here 30 x2 minus 20 x3 is equal to 80. So we already got x3, right? So we can substitute here. So 30x2 minus, we can change x3 into 2. What is this? What is that? 20 into
40.
40. So
Mhm.
40. So 30x2 is equal to 120.
120.
x2 is
20.
equal to
4.
4. Now we will find. So we got x2, x3. Now what is the last equation? This equation. From here x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. So that is this equation, right? So x1, what is x2?
Minus 4.
Plus x3, 2.
2.
So what is x1 here?
2.
2, right?
2.
So what is, we know that only one solution is there. What is that solution? X equal to, you can write x1, 2, 4, 2. So this is the one and only one solution, right? Have you got it? Any doubt?
സർ
Ah,
ഈ
choose.
എ ബി ഓഗ്മെന്റഡ് മെട്രിക്സ് എഴുതാൻ നേരത്ത് ബിന്റെ എലമെന്റ്സിന് മുമ്പ് ഒരു ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കണം എന്നുണ്ടോ?
No, it's not. അങ്ങനെ വരക്കണം എന്ന് നിർബന്ധമൊന്നുമില്ല. അങ്ങനെ
Okay.
വരച്ച് if you draw that, then you can easily understand this part is A matrix and total is AB. Okay. So while finding rank, it will be easier. That's
സാർ
why
ഈ രണ്ട് തവണ മെട്രിക്സസ് റോ ഇന്റർചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടോ?
രണ്ട്
കാരണം മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ റോ ഇന്റർചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടോ?
no, no problem. You can interchange rows. That is an elementary row operation. You can do elementary row operations. Any elementary row operation.
ഓക്കെ സാർ.
Okay. So now we will do next problem. So here the question is test the following system for consistency. What do you mean by consistency? If a system is consistent, it has a solution. If it has no solution, then the system is inconsistent. So this is our system of linear equation. We want to check whether it is consistent or not. That means whether it has a solution or not. So first, what will be our step? First, you write down what is ax equal to b. So first you write down a. What is a? 3, 3,
2, 1,
2, 1,
2, 1,
1, 2,
2,
1, 1,
1, 1, 6,
1,
6,
6,
6,
2,
2,
2,
4.
4.
2, 4.
6, 2, sorry.
സർ എയും എക്സും ബിയും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് എഴുതിയില്ലേ കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടോ? സ്റ്റെപ്സ് എ ബി ഡയറക്റ്റ് എഴുതി കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാൽ
No problem ഇല്ല, ബട്ട് സംടൈംസ് എക്സാമിന് ഈ ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പിന് there may be a mark.
സാർ ഇത് എത്ര മാർക്കിന്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനാ?
Maybe 8 or 7 mark question. There will be a mark for writing this. Okay, so
ഓക്കെ സർ.
this is 2x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0, and next you write down x is x1 x2 x3, and b is 3 0 6. Now you write down augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. What is augmented matrix? AB is equal to
3,
3
2,
2
2, 1,
1,
3.
and here 3
3,
2 1
1,
1
1,
0
0,
6 2
2,
4
4,
and
6.
now you convert it into raw echelon. So this is equivalent to 3 2 1 3. So what is the first pivot? 3, right? Non-zero
3.
negative is 3. Now we want to convert this into so we want to convert it into 0. So what is the step? R2 changes to how to make it 0? 3 3 3 R, you can write 3 R2 minus 2 R1, right? 3 R2 minus 2 R1, correct അല്ലേ? What
Yes,
will
sir.
happen? 3 into 2 6 minus 2 into 3 minus 6, so this becomes 0. Now what will be here? Tell me.
-1.
Minus 1. Now what is here?
1.
1. And here
-6.
6.
now what will be the third row operation? I want to make this 0, so
3 minus 2
R3
2
minus 2
R1.
R1.
2 R1.
minus 2 R1.
this becomes 0, and here minus 2,
2,
2,
2, 0.
0.
now so this is the first pivot. And what about here, which is the pivot? This element, right? Don't
minus
say
1.
minus 1. So now we will change. We will convert this to 0. So first we will write 3, 2, 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 6. Okay. So this is our pivot. Now, so now what will be the row operation? I want to make this 0.
R3
R3
minus
minus
2R2.
2R2.
2 R2, right?
R
R2, 2 R2. So this is 0. This is 0. And what about here?
0,
0. And what about here?
12.
12. Now tell me, what is rank of A? Rank of
3,
A.
2.
2.
2.
Rank of A 2.
Rank of A is 2, right? So this is our A matrix. So how many non-zero rows? How many pivot are there here? This.
2.
Okay. For okay, how many non-zero rows? 1, 2. This is 0 row. Okay. So 2, right? What is the rank of A? 2. What is rank of AB?
3.
3.
This will be also a pivot for AB. This bigger matrix. So how many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2, and 3. So here rank of A not equal to rank of AB. So what you can tell about this system is inconsistent. That is,
Inconsistent.
Inconsistent.
system is inconsistent. That is, it has no solution. Solving system of linear equation. And the first problem is solve the following system of equation by Gauss elimination method. This okay, so 7x plus minus 4y minus 2z is equal to minus 6, 16x plus 2y plus z equal to 3. So the first step is we will write it as x equal to b form. So what is a here? Tell me a.
7
7 minus
minus 4 minus 2 16 2 1.
now what is our unknowns? X is x, y, and z.
Y
These are the unknowns, and b is minus
minus
6
16.
and 3. So there are only 2 equations and 3 unknowns. Now first step is we will write augmented matrix. So what is augmented matrix? Put a line here. 7 minus 4 minus 2, and what is here? Minus 6, right? And what is second row? 16 here, 2, 1, and 3. Now we can convert it into raw echelon form. So tell me what is the pivot here? First pivot is 7 is 7. 7 is the pivot. So 7 minus 4 minus 1 minute. 7 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. So this is our pivot. Now we want to convert this into 0. So what is the step raw operation we need?
R2 tends to
R2
7 R2
changes
minus
to
16 R1.
7
7 R2
R2
minus
minus
16 R1.
16 R1.
16 R1.
So this becomes 0. And what about here?
78.
78, right? Why?
78.
Okay, so 7 into 2 minus 16 into minus 4. So that is 78. And here
39.
39.
39, and here
117.
17.
now tell me what is the second pivot? So this is one pivot, and what is the second pivot? This, right?
78.
Now is it in raw echelon form?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me what is rank of A?
3. 2.
2
2, because only 2. Okay, 2 pivots are there, or 2 non-zero rows are there, right? So 2. What is rank of AB?
2.
2.
So rank of A is equal to rank of AB, right? So what you can conclude? Is it as a solution?
Yes.
Consistent. Now what about how many unknowns are there? Number of
3.
unknowns is 3. Equal to 2, and this is less than 3. That means rank of A is equal to rank of AB, which is less than number of unknowns. Then what you can conclude? The system
Infinite
has
solution.
Infinite number of solutions.
Infinitely many solutions.
system has infinitely many solutions. That means there are arbitrary solutions. Now we want to find out that infinite solutions. So what we will do is we will take this row. Okay. So what do you mean by that row? 0x1, sorry, 0x plus 78y plus 39z is equal to 39z is equal to 170, right? Okay, so which implies 78y plus 39z is equal to 170. So now what we will do is we have a free variable here, right? You can take any value for y, and that depends on z depends upon y. So what we will do is, here there is a free variable, right? Free variable, you can take any value for y, and corresponding you take corresponding value for z. So that is so what I will do is I will put y equal to a. So this is my arbitrary value. Any doubt? Y equal to a is any value. So what will happen here? 78a plus 39z is equal to 117. Then what is 39z? 39z is equal to 117 minus 78a, right? 78a. Now tell, okay, so one more thing we can do is, here there is 39z, And what is 30? 117? 117 is actually 39 into 3, right? Is it 39 into 3 minus what is 78? 2.
2.
I am cancelling out this 39 and 39. So what is Z? Z is actually 3 minus 2a. Have you got it? Any doubt?
No, sir.
What I have done is I take y equal to a, some arbitrary value, and then I find out z. So I got y equal to a and z equal to 3 minus 2a. Now we want to find out what is x. So for finding x, so I will take this equation. So that equation is 7x minus 4y minus 4y minus 2z is equal to minus 6. So what we will do is, so 7x, what is y? What is y?
A.
A. So this is minus 4a. And what is z? 2 into z,
3 minus 2.
3 minus 2a. So this is equal to 6. So this is 7x minus 4a minus 2 into 3, 6 plus 4, right? Plus 4a, right? Is equal to 6. Now 4a and 4a get cancelled. So I get 7x minus 6 is equal to 6 minus 7x. Is it correct? There is any
Equal to minus 6.
equal
Sir,
to, okay, equal to minus 6. Sorry, minus 6. Okay. So what will happen? We will get 7x equal to 0, right? And what is x? X equal to 0. Is it correct? Correct, alle?
yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the values? So what is our x? So x is our solution. X is uh, what is x? 0. What is y?
3 by
A.
3.
And z is 3 minus 2a for any arbitrary value a. So why it is called it is why it is called in it has infinitely many solution? Why it has infinitely many solution?
Because A is an arbitrary element, can be changed or altered.
And if you give any value for a, if a equal to 0, 1, 2, 1 by 2, any value, if you give any value for a, it this 0a 3 minus 2a must be a solution. That means there are infinitely many solutions. Okay, good. Any doubt? Anybody have any doubt? No. Okay, is it all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will do another problem. Solve the following system of equation by Gauss elimination method. And this is university question 2017. Y plus z minus 2w. Y plus z minus 2w equal to 0. And so 2x minus 3y minus 3z plus 6w equal to 2, and 4x plus y plus z minus 2w is equal to 4. So the similar step we will do. So the first step is we have to write ax equal to b. So what is a? What is a
0,
matrix?
1, 1, minus
0, 1, 1 minus 2, and second row
2, minus 3, minus 3, 6. Minus 3, 6.
and third row
4, 1, 1, minus 2.
1, 1 minus 2. And what is x? What are the unknowns?
X, Y, Z, W.
Y, Z, W. And next, what is our b?
0, 2, 4.
2, 4. Now, after that, we will write augmented matrix AB. So, AB is equal to, okay, okay, so what is augmented matrix? 0, 1, 1, minus 2, and here it is 0, right? And what is second row? Tell me the second row.
2, minus 3, minus 3, 6.
2 minus 3 minus 3, 6, and here 2, right? This element. And what is third row? 4, 1, 1, minus 2, 4. Okay, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we want to convert it into raw echelon form. So for raw echelon form, okay. So what is the pivot? Now the first non-zero lead, first entry is 0, right? So what we will do? Tell me.
Interchange row and column.
This column. So there is a non-zero element here. So what we will do? This is R1, R2, R3. So we will interchange R1 and R2. Okay. So we will interchange R1 interchange to R2. 2 minus 3 minus 3, 6, 2, and 0, 1, 1, minus 2, 0, 4, 1, 1, minus 2, 4. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now we want to convert into raw echelon form. So what is the pivot here? Is 2, right? So we will write 2 minus 3 minus 3, 6, 2, and this is already 0. So we will write 0, 1, 1, minus 2, 0. Now we want to make this element 0. So what is raw operation? Tell me what is the raw operation? R3,
2R1 minus R3.
2 R or
R3 minus 2R1.
3
R3 minus
minus 2R1, right? R3 minus 2R1. R3 minus 2R1. So this will become 0. And what will be here? Tell me what is the value here? 1 minus minus 6. 1 minus minus 6.
7.
7,
Next
7, 7,
7. And here
minus 14.
14.
0, 0,
0. So this is our first pivot. And what is the second pivot?
1.
Now we want to change this into, convert that into 0. So we will do the next step. So 2 minus 3 minus 3, 6, 2, 0, 1, 1 minus 2, 0, 0. Okay, so now what is the raw operation here? We want to convert this into 0. Tell me what is the raw operation? Here there is 7 and here R3,
minus 1 R2.
7 R2, R3 minus 7 R2. So this is 0. What happened here? 0. What is here? Here it will be 0
0, 0,
and here
0.
so that row is completely 0. So there is only 2 pivot, right? This and
Yes,
now
sir.
tell me what is rank of A,
2,
2.
rank of AB.
2.
2.
It is consistent, right? So rank of A is equal to rank of AB. This is consistent. That means solution exists. Now how many unknowns are there?
4.
4.
4 unknowns, right? Number of unknowns. 4 alike. Okay, you just check it down. Number of unknowns. These are the unknowns. Okay. So,
Yes, sir. It's 4.
it's 4, right? There
Yes,
are
sir.
unknowns X, Y, Z, W. So there are 4 unknowns. So, and this is 2 and this is less than 4, right?
Sir,
Therefore, okay, tell me.
sir, rank of A is 3, right?
No, 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 no. No, you look. This is our A matrix. Okay, yeah. This is our A matrix. Is it visible? Now you check how many non-zero rows are there. 1, 2, right? 2. This is a 0 row. So rank is 2. Or you pivots are there. 1, 2, 2. Rank is 2. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, now we will find the solution. So how many solution must be there? How many
Infinite
solutions?
number of solution.
Infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution. Solution. Okay. So we will find the solution. So I will take this equation. From this equation, we have uh, 0 x plus y plus z minus 2 omega 2w is equal to 0, right? So which implies y plus z minus 2w is equal to 0. Now tell me how many free variables are there? How many free variables? You can choose any value for y and z, but w must depends upon y and z, right? So how many free variable are?
2.
2, right, because we can give any value for y and z, and w must depends upon y and z. So what I will do is I am giving y equal to a and z equal to b. These are two arbitrary values. Then what about W? So how many arbitrary values I have given? Y equal to A and Z equal to B. So from this equation, I'm putting equation number 1. 1 implies Y is A plus B minus 2W is equal to 0, which implies what is 2W? A plus B. And what is W?
A plus B by 2.
A plus B by 2. So we get the values for Y, Z and W. Now what are the only unknown? Only unknown left
X.
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 So we want to find out value of X. So we will take this equation. Right. So, so I will write here. Okay, tell me that equation. Tell me that equation. 2x
2x minus 3y
minus 3y minus
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 3
3z
plus
plus
x
6w
is equal to
so 2x minus what is y?
a
3a minus 3b
b
plus 6 into
a plus b by 2.
b by 2 is equal to 2. So which implies 2x is equal minus 3a minus 3b plus 3a. 6 and 2 get cancelled. So we will get plus 3a plus 3b is equal to 2.
minus
2 ആണ്. Is it 2? Right. Right. So this and this get cancelled. This and this get cancelled. What is 2x?
equal to
2.
x equal to 1.
X 1.
1. So what is our unknown? Sorry, what is our solution? X is 1, y is y. What is y?
A
So how many solutions are there? Here A and B are arbitrary values. So therefore, how many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions.